Okay, super exciting video today, and this is a video a lot of you Model 3 owners are gonna really love, and we are going to put Qi charging into the Model 3. So when it was unveiled, we thought there was gonna be Qi charging built in. There wasn't, or at least not yet, but our awesome friends over at Get Jetta actually came up with a Qi charger, and it fits beautifully. So I'm super excited to review this, and I know you guys are gonna wanna pick something like this up. A lot of you Model 3 owners are familiar with Qi charging. It's on the iPhone 10. Samsung's had it for quite a long time. Google, I think, has some. A bunch of phones are now starting to do Qi charging. It's just convenient. You don't have to plug anything in. You sit it when you're good. You can pick it up and view something, then put it back down. No needing to fumble with any cords, wires, plugs, none of that. You just sit it and you go. And for somebody who is a Tesla owner, convenience is great. And this is a convenient product, a very, very convenient product. So we're gonna go ahead and install this, but I do have something very, very exciting. So they have sent me this to review and have also sent another one for one of you lucky winners. So definitely follow me on Instagram. I'll go ahead and put my tag here, and I'll be doing a photo there probably later today as this video goes up, and I will be giving one of these away and we'll ship it out to you guys. Definitely when you comment on that photo on Instagram, just tell us what kind of Model 3 you have, or if you ordered one and you're waiting for it, and we will pick a lucky winner, and I will announce it on an Instagram live session, and we'll send you one completely free. It's really awesome. Super, super excited. Without further ado, let's get this thing installed. Okay, so here is the package, and upon opening it, you will see a little red card, and that actually has your instructions listed on there, which are also available on their website should you need them. Put them up here just so you can see. It is a very, very quick and easy install. And then you will see your charging pad, which has the 2 micro USB outlets there, along with all your information down below. And it will exactly replace that pad right there. And then also in the box, you have 2 micro USB to USB cables, along with a spot where they will also offer in the future what they call an FC module, which is a fast charge module in case you would like to use that. Okay, so both these cords are probably about a foot long, and that's really all you need to be able to reach back there. So one thing when doing this, it is a little easier if you just pop that guy open, and then you can access everything just a tad bit easier. So in here, this rubber pad just comes right up. We can sit that to the side. And then to get these, it's easier if you just unplug them. Then you can go ahead and push both of these right on through. Super easy to do. So then what you do is you take this bar and slide it to the left, and you'll be able to take it right off, and that's actually how it connects. And then that way you can access these and take these right on out. If you did want to do this from the beginning too, you can actually ask your delivery specialist if they cannot install these for you. So next thing we are going to do is go ahead and just dry fit this, just so you can see how it fits in. So it will fit in much like that, and then this will actually go back down on the bottom, just like that, and that holds it in and also gives the bottom of your phone something to sit on, much like so. So next up, what we're going to do is take the included cables right here, and we're going to go ahead and just push these right back in here, and they will fit nice and snug so that you know they're in there. You want those to be in all the way, just so you make sure you get all that power. And then we're going to go ahead and take these and feed them right through the included holes that are already standard on the Tesla for all the wires. So once you get those through, we're actually going to peel off these 4 pieces of tape right here, the little protector, and that's going to just make sure this thing sticks a little bit and doesn't potentially slide around. It should be fine anyway, but can never be too safe. So just make sure you feed those wires down through there. Start at the top, kind of shimmy it down a little bit, and then just make sure kind of squeezing it from both the front and the back. Make sure that is thoroughly on there, and as you can see, we are good. Then what you can do is go ahead and lift this up and go ahead and connect all these in. So it just comes with the 2 and uses those 2 spots. Then we can just make sure we are good. And then, theoretically speaking, I should be able to put that there and charge. just like that. So literally install could not be easier. It just very, very simple, not time intensive at all. It is actually made out of TPU too, so as you can see, me jiggling this phone, nothing's moving here. So it's nice to see that. I think you can take a turn pretty hard and this won't even move, but if it does, let's look at this. Still charges. And then if we move it, because this center rail here, it would never really go beyond that. So really, I don't think there's a bad spot on here to place it that it won't charge. So one thing to note is this charger will only charge as fast as the USB that's included in the car. Jetta will be doing is allowing you to do fast charging, which is a separate module that will actually hook into one of the USBs, and then you will hook the pad into it. That way you can use faster charging. It will output about 15 watts for the Qualcomm CPU for Samsung. Now if you have an iPhone, you really won't see much of a difference because the iPhone CPU does limit the current input at 7.5 watts, and these will be 5 based on those. So it is kind of nice to be able to do that fast charge. So the unfortunate thing with most battery banks like this is you cannot actively charge them and discharge them at the same time. That is why Jetta's FC unit, the fast charge module that they are making, will actually be nice because one of the USB outlets can discharge while it is being charged, which is perfect. However, at this rate, most users would be fine. If you do need something that is fast charging, they do actually offer the fast charging module for an additional $20, which is quite a steal. The pad itself is $99, with the fast charger module included is $119. You can still close this, no problem. Nobody would know my phone's in there if I left the car for a few minutes or did whatever I had to do, but it is actually still charging. Okay, definitely check out the Instagram though for the contest, and I'll go ahead and link all their information down below too, so you can easily get your own if you would like. Awesome purchase, in my opinion. This is probably one of the best accessories for Model 3 that I'm just so excited about this one. Amazing accessory. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Definitely though, comment down below if you're interested in one of these. If you have a Model 3, what you got. Always interested to hear everyone's awesome stories coming out lately. So cool to see. As always though, if you're looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. And if you're looking for a new or inventory, Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which is currently the only way to do so. Unfortunately, it does not work on Model 3s or use Tesla Model S's or X's. As always though, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and click here to subscribe, here for some other videos. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
But you gotta be there for me too.